Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 5-pack wire stripper set that the company sent me to do a video of. I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase this. So it comes in this little box here. Let's open this up. And here's what it looks like inside. Oh, so you've got these little tools in there. And then you've got all these little things inside. I can kind of show you what they look like. Show you some of these ones. See that one here. This one, it says 6 AWG, 8 AWG, 10 AWG, 12, and what's this last one? I think this is 14, and 14 in there. So that's this kit, and I hope you enjoyed this review.